What's up, guys? So we're on Offerup today, and I'm gonna be showing you an example of how I do my deals. So right here, I found a Nintendo Switch for $280. Comes with Super Smash Bros. And it looks like really good condition, so I might end up buying it. And so here are the chats right here. I'm like, can you do 250 cash, and I'll meet you Sunday in blank. Like, yeah, he could do 150. I thought he meant 150, but he's actually 250. So yeah, basically here, I ask him if there are problems. I'm like, all right, and basically I can test it on the spot just to see if anything's wrong with it. But yeah, basically what I want to do is just sell the game separately. So the game can definitely go for $30 to $40 or even more. But I'm aiming for $40, and bam, that means I only need to make 220 more to break even. So then I could sell the Switch for maybe $300, like flat $300, and then I'm able to make an $80 profit from this entire thing, simply just reselling. This is a strategy I did and what I keep doing. But yes, I will try to record when I meet him up, and then we'll see how we make the deal, and then I'm gonna make a breakdown of basically me meeting him up, and then me like explaining what I got and everything, and then posting it on Marketplace, like actually doing a series and posting it on Marketplace, and then actually going, and if there's a guy who wants to buy it, I'll go sell it to him, and I'll show you the full process on how it works, and I will show you the profits after, so stay tuned for that. So guys, that is how you do it. I'm just going to show you basically the breakdown of how I do it, as I just said. So just stay tuned for that, and you'll see how I'll make the money, and I'll just show you the profits. Like, this is 100% legit. This works. Kitty, doesn't this work? Yeah, it works. Nah, see, he told you right there. It works. I mean, it's legit. No scam. I'm not a fake guru. No, I'm not. I don't sell courses. I'm just teaching this information for free. I want y'all to know, and I want to share my experience making money and doing this. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.